What's up guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing Shine Armor's glass cleaner. It's supposed to leave easy streak-free shine to all your glass windows. So let's go ahead and see how this product works. Shine Armor does include some free microfibers when you buy their products, or at least the glass cleaner. This is a paid review, but I am allowed to be honest. So instead of just talking about it, let's just go ahead and clean my windows and see how well it works. The instructions say to spray, wipe, and then lightly buff for a water repellent shine. So first impressions, it does smell pretty good. I do enjoy it. It's not like a fruity smell, but it's definitely a clean smelling smell. So I wiped it off, and then I'm gonna flip and then buff. So it definitely is streak free and it does clean pretty well, but so does most glass cleaners. I went ahead and cleaned every window in my car except the rear because that's vinyl. And I had to say, it works pretty good. It's nice and clean. You can see my reflection in it. And it left a streak-free shine no matter how much product I used on it. So it cleaned well, but let's see if it is water repellent like the bottle says. I did go ahead and give it 2 coats to the front windshield just to be safe. So I'm gonna spray some water on it and see if it sheets up or if it beads up like how hydrophobic products would. I have a cheap ceramic on my car, so this is what it should look like. See how it's just running off, and instead of being a sheet, it's in beads? That's how the windshield should look. And while I don't think it worked as good as a true ceramic, it was water repellent and it did bead up instead of sheet glass. But just to repeat, we'll spray more. You see how it's not just in a big sheet, it's beading up, so that is what it's supposed to be doing. If you want to buy yourself some Shine Armor, they have a ton of products, not just glass cleaner.